All right, here's another installment of Parrot Gets a Package. You know, I've been ordering a lot of stuff online, of course, as a lot of folks. So I got something here, and it feels like a T-shirt. I believe it's a T-shirt. Some folks have been putting out T-shirts, some on a slight delivery delay, and that's fine. But so I think I still have some T-shirts out there that that should be coming through. But let's find out what this one's all about. It's fashion. Oh, okay. This is my Rage Against the Machine. Oh, this is sweet. Rage Against the Machine, red star. It's a photograph of something in the back. All the different leaders. Okay. Short sleeve, black, nothing on the back. I think these are supposed to be reprints of some of the classic Rage shirts. I think I remember there was quite a few. And this was the one that I chose. I kind of like this one. Cool. Continue to add to my summer dress list with a Rage Against the Machine t-shirt. And I think that's it. All right, thanks.